Give you a quick demonstration here. So this will fit right on there, and then we'll just drill a hole here and screw that in. Then add the second one. That should allow for a completely smooth water flow, and it'll keep out any of the bits of activated carbon that might try to get through. And then we'll jam it together. Like that. Okay. Alright, here's the big test. I'm going to fill that side of the sink with the tap water, and then we'll pump it through the filter and over to the stainless steel pan. 528, 537. Okay, let's get this thing going. Alright, let's take a look. Alright, let's keep at it. Was that 95? That's pretty darn clean water. We started with over 500 ppm. So that's the trick. Just keep pulling the water through it. It should get cleaner and cleaner as you get rid of the carbon dust and the stuff in there. And I bet I can get it lower than that if we just keep pulling the water through here. That's great. I got out some of the gravel dust, and then it dropped all the way down to about 50. I guess I got a low of 48. 48 to 60 was about the average. But that's perfect. Ideal is considered anywhere from 0 to 50, so that's really, really good water. This thing is working excellent. Alright, then when you're done, just pop it open so you can dry out the activated carbon. And that's it. The screen worked good. That is a nice pump, by the way. It's only $5 in Harbor Freight. Or $5.59, I think it was. A couple of quick things, by the way. Don't use plastic on these. They had to be really rugged to drill the threads into the caps. Don't just use an end cap. There's a couple reasons for that. And make sure to use the Teflon tape so this will easily spin open. Super tight. Comes right apart.